What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching Idiots in Cars episode number 79. And before we do that, it's time for a shameless plug. Now you can join and become the God tier member of our amazing channel, and that's, I think, a nice little way to support the channel if you want, of course. If not, that's okay too. And also I will probably add some new things to membership along the way. So yeah, that's it for now, and let's get back to the video. Power straight to the wall. Imagine being this stupid. You just bought a car, you're excited and everything, and then BAM! You crashed it immediately. And if I ever do something like that, remind me to eat my license. Whoa! You can't park there, buddy. And surprisingly, that's not too much damage done. Look at that. All they need to flip him over and he's good to go, I think. Whoa, that's not gone well. Oh. Honey, I picked up kids from school. I shouldn't laugh. This serious stuff. On to the next one. Oh, well, that escalated quickly. If you catch my drift, you know. And let me guess, he's gonna run away. Yup, he's running away, but he got caught in 4K. And you know what I say? Big car, small PP, so in this case, that's definitely true. Whoa! Tokyo Drift kicked in, yo! I wonder if you know. Pickup edition. Alright, moving on. Oh, just a gentle touch. A love tap. And now we are back to Russia.
No, I'm from England, America!
And for some reason this guy's mad because they didn't want to pick him up in the middle of a street, but whatever, moving on. And this guy here strangely decided to drive on a bicycle path. What the heck, bro? Oh, now I get it. Oh, two BMWs against the common man. This could be fun. Of course, there we go. BMW ego kicked in. Whoa! You stupid! That was perfect. He even crashed into his colleague, so two birds, one stone. Whoa, truck! That was not cool, man. That's the main reason why I avoid trucks. Blah. And this, ladies and gents, is how the divs are born. If you didn't know, now you know. We are not dealing with optimal conditions at the moment. That dodge is nice, by the way, but he's pushing his luck.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
So far so good. He's going for it and he spun. No! Oof. Never go full power in slippery conditions. Oh, look at that Merc. Nice pack, by the way. Whoa! He's getting a little bit loosey-goosey. Was it on purpose though? Looks like it was. Power! And... Come on, man. That was a stupid thing to do. Whoa! Are you on drugs, bruh? What the hell is that all about? And I gotta comment that Merc again. He yeeted himself into that ditch. It was ridiculous. Whoop. Careful. Oh, I feel sad for her boyfriend slash husband. That was rude. You can't cut everyone off and then behave like that. And here, by the looks of it, this driver lives by some wise words. You don't need parking sensors, you will hear it when you hit it. It's a little bit different sound than a beeping sensor, but it works. What is this guy doing? Oh, he got tired of of the queue. He's like, I'm out. Being stuck in a rush hour is for peasants. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell was that sound, woman? She's malfunctioning. And yeah, where was I? He obliterated that Prius. Whoa, hello there. Nice 180 handbrake turn, by the way. For a minivan. That's impressive. Oh my god, this is the definition of window shopping, you know. Whoa! Dearie me, that was a biggie. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Here's a smartass who is trying to brake check the tractor. Riding on my tractor, lean on my blader. I'll leave the singing for later, and oof, you got penetrated from behind. You stupid. This is a classic case of play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Yo man, back off. Oh, we are all right here. Nothing crazy happened, so all good. Moving on to the next one. Whoa, hold it, hold it. He almost took him out as well. Whoa, that was a biggie. Oof, 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 oof. That won't buff off, definitely. And I have no idea how the hell did he lose control. But anyways, on to the next one. Hello there, Z4. Yeah, exactly, that's what a BMW would do. And look at this one. Look at this genius. He's like, choo-choo, mother. He wanted to become the train, but his dreams became a train wreck. Or he will, unless he moves. This is an interesting camera angle. BAM! He went Batista bomb through the door. I don't know why Americans tend to do this stuff. I don't know, and I will never know. Stop looking at the birds, man. You crashed. Now, was it worth it, old man? Oh, look at this. Ušino se, brate. Ne znam koji mi je čao da. But anyways, on to the twerking trucks. Look at that ass. Look at him. He kinda bad though. Shake that thing, da 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 da, shake that thing. Now let's get serious for once. Oh. I'm not blaming him, but he overreacted a little bit. That's why he crashed. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Oof. Well, this went kinda better than I thought, but still bad. Oh, hello there. You're not in England, mate. Get on the right side of the road. Easy, easy. There we go. Almost there. Keep going, keep going. And you're good. Go straight now. Yo, dude, stop. Imagine if he crashed into that pole. That would be a pole position for him. But anyways, it's time to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And yeah, thank you for the support. I love you all, guys, and don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.